Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this air-fried pork belly adobo. Okay, just a warning to everybody in there that's dieting, this is definitely not a diet recipe. This is all fat with a little meat, but mostly the sauce is what makes this recipe delicious. So let's start now with our ingredients. I have here is a pork belly. This is 1 pound, which I slice into bite size. Also have bay leaves and some star anise. This will add aroma to and flavor to the pork belly, and some garlic and fresh rosemary. You could use dry ones too if you have one. Also salt and pepper, some brown sugar, soy sauce, and some cane vinegar or white vinegar. And now I'm going to use two of my favorite kitchen gadget. The first one I'm going to use is the Instant Pot, and I'm also gonna finish the adobo using the air fryer. So I just set the Instant Pot into a saute mode. Once it's hot, then I add the cooking oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You could use any oil, whichever you prefer. And now I'm going to cook the garlic cloves. Sauteing this for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes until they're lightly or golden brown. Or when you start smelling the garlic, that means they're done. And now I'm going to add the pork belly. I'm going to cook the pork belly for 3 to 5 minutes. I think I cooked this for about 5 minutes. And then just move it around. Make sure you mix this or saute it. Move it around, because if you don't move this around, the pork belly has a skin to it. This is also have a skin. I forgot to mention that. It will get stuck on the pan, so make sure to move this around once in a while. And now I'm going to add the bay leaves and the star anise. Also, I'm going to season this with black ground pepper and also some salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. Maybe just a pinch. That's really up to you. You could adjust the seasoning later on, but I'm just eyeballing the seasoning. And then mix this, saute it until they're combined. You want to make sure that the salt and the pepper are spread out evenly to the meat. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the soy sauce, also white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of water. You're welcome to use chicken broth, that's up to you. And the rosemary, and also 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix this. Mix until they're combined. I mixed this for less than a minute. And then that's the lemon pepper. You could use a fresh lemon juice. Normally I use fresh lemon squeeze juice or fresh lemon juice, but I ran out of lemon, so I used the lemon pepper. Cancel the mode, and so it will stop the saute mode by pushing the cancel button. Now I'm putting the lid and lock, and then I'm gonna pressure cook this for about 15 minutes. The Instant Pot will make the adobo process shorter than usual. And after 10 minutes and all the air is out, There is the adobo, the first stage of the adobo, the air fried adobo. You can see there's more like broth to it, but mostly those are oil or fat from the pork belly, because the pork belly I'm used here is with skin and some fat as well. And I'm just gonna scoop that, remove it from the sauce, and place it on the paper towel to drain the extra sauce, or you could also put this on a strainer. That's really up to you. So while I'm transferring this, I already preheated my air fryer. Make sure you preheat your air fryer before putting this on it, before cooking the pork belly. And so move into the air fryer, another of one of my favorite kitchen gadget. And I'm just gonna spray that with non-stick spray. You could scrub it with oil, that's really up to you. This is more convenient just to use the cooking spray. And I place those cooked pork belly into the basket. You could place this however you want it. I just place them into the basket. Make sure that they have a little space and they're not like crowded. And I'm gonna pop this in a Cosori Air Fryer. Turn the heat. And I'll just set this on 350 degrees on 15 minutes cooking time. And just let that sit. And here you go, after 15 minutes, look at that. That's so delicious, guys. You could actually smell it. I know this is not a diet recipe, but when you try this, you definitely will need more rice. This is best served with steamed white rice. If you want it crispier, you could cook this for extra 15 minutes. But I like mine a little bit softer. So just transfer that on the serving bowl. Make sure you have your steamed white rice ready and some hot sauce. This is best paired with steamed white rice and some white sauce and some hot sauce. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And please like this recipe and share this recipe. Click the like button, guys. Again, don't forget to share this recipe. Now let's try it. I actually like this recipe. I know it's fattening, but sometimes we have to treat ourselves. This is my cheat recipe. This is like my Friday recipe, my Friday dinner where you can cheat. And there you go. The meat is so tender. And it has a lot of flavor because we cook it first in an instant pot. So the sauce, the meat already absorbed the sauce. And by air frying it, we're just taking more fat away from it, but still there's still fat in there. And just put it on the white rice. And it was so good. It was so delicious. I really love this. This is, again, my cheat recipe. Definitely you're gonna eat a lot of rice with this, guys. It's really, really good. You're going to like this if you're one of those people that like something new with fat. This is one of my go-to recipe for no diet. And you could eat it by hand, which we normally do in the Philippines. So let me show you. Just put that, wrap a piece of meat and just wrap it basically with the rice. And put it on your mouth, just like that. So good, so delicious. Thank you everyone for watching. Come and see us next time. Ciao.